Guys, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the WeCare app. This is gonna be a demonstration of my application developed for this final project. Um, as I worked in a nursing home, so from my personal experience, I could recognize where problems could have been solved more efficiently, quicker, or even through a better communication between staff and manager. So the idea of this app, it was to look at how improvements can be made in scheduling and standards, and here is where this app can be very helpful. It can also, of course, it can be also be used for a better understanding of the environment, and monitoring and control is actually also very important. So let's get into it. So here, as you can see, we have two screens, the operational one and the management. So let's go to the operational. I'm gonna type a user. I have a few recordings for Joe already, so I'm gonna use Joe. Okay. Again, so here you can see two screens, text manager and daily task. Let's go to text manager. Here the user can select a manager. I don't have any at the moment. And then you can test just to check and send a message to the manager. But this screen is not very important. So here's the one of the main ones. So daily task. Here's where the employee they are going to record all their tasks. And I don't know if you noticed, but I don't need to select employee once I'm logged in the main screen. It's going to be Joe in every single screen. So I need to select the room for Joe. I'm going to select number 2, and as you can see, all the task types shows here. So in order to start the cleaning, I need to select the type of cleaning I want to do and start. Once I start, the clock starts here. So when I finish the cleaning, when they finish the cleaning in this area, in these tasks, when they finish this task, I need to click in finish cleaning. And then it moves to the second task. And then you select deep cleaning or general cleaning. Once you click in the task, the clock starts again. Sorry. And then when you finish the tasks, clicking finish, the clock stops. And then you go like this to the very end. Okay, here you can also add a comment. Test 1. Like if they see any problem, anything broken in the bedroom, they can record a message here, just to make sure that whatever they found in there, which was not supposed to be, or they just can mention, and then in future they can be maybe to avoid being blamed for anything that they haven't done. So here also we can add a picture from the phone's memory. So I'm using the emulator at the moment, so I don't have any. So I can't test. So once I finish, submit. It's gonna send the information to the database, and then everything is gonna be clear again, ready to the next recording. So once it's finished, that's the main thing that the operational can do. So we can move on to the management one. So in the management, we have 4 screens. Daily tasks. It doesn't really make sense anymore having this task here, but it was already there, so I decided to keep. And the reason is because the recording here has to be in real time. So if you don't do the recording real time, you cannot get the real information from the report page, because the report page gets the information from the task type. So it needs to know how long you took to clean the bedroom, or to clean one bed, or brush the floor, every single one of them separately. So if you do after, you will never know, you won't know how long you actually spend to clean in a specific bedroom, and how long you took to clean the bed or anything like this, And so yeah, okay. So let's go to the audit one. In the audit, I can select the room, and the manager can select the user as well. I'm gonna keep with Joe because I use Joe to select the task type. So I'm gonna keep everything as a satisfactory, but I can move, yeah, I can change if I want. And I also can leave a message. Okay, clicking submit, it's done. As you can see here, I have satisfactory and unsatisfactory, but in the database, I had to change it to 0 for unsatisfactory and 1 for satisfactory in order to get data from this information here, either separately or together. But I'm gonna tell you later. So let's go to the report page. So I'm gonna also keep Joe here. So I'm gonna select the whole bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna keep the whole bedroom, and I'm gonna keep average time cleaning. And the days, I'm gonna keep from 1 to 11 as well, and click and go. So the average here for Joe, from 1st of August to today, it was 40 seconds average to clean the whole bedroom. It's just an example, of course, but that's the average for the bedrooms for this user for this in this period. So now if I want to get just let's see how long Joe took to clean just the bed, an average 17 seconds. Let's change to Windows. Oh, very fast, 2 seconds. Okay, let's move on. Average audit score. That's the same concept. Like we can have the whole bedroom for the average, or everything separately as well. Okay, let's keep with the bedroom for now. So the date I'm gonna keep the same in set and go. So I can see that I got 5.375. So what is that? So let me go back here to the hours. As you can see, we have 7 tasks. In each one of them worth 1 or 0. It depends. If it's satisfactory, 1. If it's not, 0. So Joe got 5 point something, I think. Okay. Yeah, 5.37. So out of 7, he got 5.37. But what about if I want to change? I just want to see if Joe is good cleaning the bed again or not. He's very good. From each task separately worth only 1 or 0. As you can see here, sorry, from here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So each task separately worth from 0 to 1, and all of them together from 0 to 7. So for this task in particular, he got 0.8587. So it's very good. For the whole bedroom, he got 5 point something out of 7, which is also very good. So let's check list. List is gonna tell you everything that the employee cleaned in this period, every single bedroom, or you can select just one bedroom in particular. Let's see how often Joe cleaned this bedroom from 1 to 11. On 4th and on 11, but let's check the whole bedroom, the whole thing. So he did 7. And here in this information, you can get the date, the employee name, the bedroom, the type of cleaning, the tasks and the type of cleaning. As you can see here, general cleaning, deep cleaning, general cleaning, and the comment, if any, and the picture, if any, as well. Okay, so we are done here as well. And here, for the last, we can add employee as well. Bukola. I added Bukola already, I think. Okay, Max. 665. Create employee. So the employee, I need to refresh my my database. It's because it saved locally, but it's gonna go here. I can show you. I'm not sure about the time. I was supposed to be here just for 5 minutes, but let me try to be very fast. Event. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Database. Okay. Desktop. Yeah. So now I saved in here. Let me just get the new version. Okay, it's here. So let me see the employee. Max is here. Okay, so Max is out. And the same thing is gonna be for the deletion one. You just put the name and remove it. Record remove it. Okay, so I think this is it. Just to finalize, so through this recording, through this app, we can do the app, the audit, and the comment, and everything else that the app does can be very helpful and very useful in order to monitor employees' performances, make adjustments, or even improvements on people's jobs and tasks. So I think the app can be very helpful. So this is it. I think I talked too much already. Thank you very much, guys.